Hi all, welcome back to A to Z Trading School. In this video, we are going to discuss power of compounding, how to achieve our financial freedom, how to earn 1 crore rupees with an investment of 15,000 rupees. Let us understand this power of compounding within different scenarios. In first scenario, we are going to focus on initial investment of 15,000 rupees. A return per month will be only 4% per month. Regular investment will be zero. It means it is one-time investment of 15,000 rupees. It is mainly for the people who can't invest every month or every year, mainly like college students and also for the non-working people. If we focus on 4% per month, at the end of the first year, we are going to earn the profit of 9,000 rupees and our balance will be 24,000 rupees. If we continue doing the same process at the end of the fifth year, we are going to earn total profit of 1,42,000 rupees and balance will be 1,57,000 rupees. And we are going to achieve the financial independence. What I told, like invest in 15,000 rupees, we are going to earn 1 crore rupees at the end of the 14 years. Scenario 2. In this, we are going to keep the initial investment 15,000 rupees as constant, similar to previous one, and return per month also same 4%, but we are going to change the regular investment. It will be 15,000 per year. We are going to invest 15,000 every year. Based on that, after 1 year, we are going to have the profit of 9,600 rupees. It is similar to previous one, but our profit is going to vary after second year because our investment is all going to vary. At the end of the fifth year, we are going to earn the profit of 3 lakh rupees. At the end of the 12th year, we are going to achieve our target. In scenario 1, we need 14 years to achieve our target, but in scenario 2, we are going to achieve it in 12 years. Scenario 3. We are going to do the initial investment of 15,000 rupees, similar to previous two scenarios, and return per month also similarly 4%. But regular investment we are going to do in this is 15,000 per month. It is mainly for the working people who can invest 15,000 per month. If we do it at the end of the first year, our total deposit will be 1,95,000 rupees and total profit will be 63,000 rupees and balance will be 2,58,000 rupees. We are going to achieve our target of 1 crore rupees in 7 years only. In first scenario, it needs 14 years, but in this we need only 7 years. I always teach my students to focus on 4% per month strategy. Hope now you know the logic behind that 4% strategy and also power of compounding. There are many strategies where working and non-working people can easily earn 4% return per month and achieve our financial target. If you want to learn those strategies, please contact this number. We're going to teach different strategies. You can select strategy which is suitable according to your working hours and also based on your risk and also achieve your financial target. Please join my Telegram group for more updates. If you find this video useful, please like and subscribe to my channel and also share with your friends. Thank you.